The stock market today is bleeding red, but Gainster's Drive Score just flagged 2 stocks with perfect setup geometry. If you're hunting the best stocks to buy now in August 2026, stick around.
This is your Drive Score update for August 13th, 2026, US Eastern Time.
Market dashboard.
We're in an uptrend under pressure with 6 distribution days on the count. That's the market telling you to tighten your leash, not let go of it entirely. Out of 10 stocks on the watch list, only 2 sit in the green zone with drive scores above 80. The other 8 are in the yellow. Translation setups are forming, but the market isn't giving you a free pass to swing for the fences. Be selective, be patient. The best entries reward those who wait for confirmation.
If this kind of data-driven analysis helps your trading, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily update. News that moves markets.
Cardinal Health, ticker CAH, just posted Q4 results that paint a bullish long-term picture. Revenue growth in their pharma distribution segment is accelerating, and management raised forward guidance. This is the kind of quiet compounder that institutions love to accumulate on pullbacks.
On the flip side, Merck, ticker MRK, is dealing with a curveball. The Trump administration's plan to split the MR vaccine into individual shots is hitting serious FDA and manufacturing hurdles. This creates regulatory uncertainty for Merck's vaccine division, and the stock could see pressure until there's clarity. And here's one to watch. Novo Nordisk's GLP-1 pill is building serious momentum, but the question is whether it can offset Eli Lilly's growing edge in the obesity drug race. Lilly, ticker LLY, is on our spotlight list today, so this rivalry matters for your watch list.
Stock spotlights.
First up, Avnet, ticker AVT, with a drive score of 90 and a relative strength of 87. This technology distributor carved a textbook cup from $100 down to $80.13 before climbing back. Now it's forming a handle right at 95.55. The breakout trigger sits at $100 even. Think of it like a diver on the board. The deeper the crouch, the higher the launch. This one's coiled and ready. Lilly, ticker LLY, comes in with a drive score of 70 and relative strength at 88. The cup pattern here is massive, carved all the way from 1112 down to 850 and back to 1183. The handle dipped to 1079. Yes, it pulled back 2.3% today, but on a stock trading above $1,200. That's just noise. Breakout level is 1182.73. Nucor Corporation, ticker NUE, drive score 70, relative strength 88. This steel giant built a cup from 271 down to 214 and back to 280. The handle is resting at 269 and the breakout trigger is 280.11. Only down 0.3% today, holding firm while others drop in a pressured tape. That kind of resilience speaks volumes. To Tutor Perini, ticker TPC, drive score 70 RS84. This engineering and construction play carved a deep cup from $100 down to $68.60 before recovering to $102.30. Handle at 94.54, it dropped 3% today. So patience is key here. Breakout trigger at $102.30. If you're finding value in these setups, smash that like button. It helps more traders discover data-driven analysis. Today's top pick. Today's number 1 pick is Amneal Pharmaceuticals, ticker AMRX, with a drive score of 90 out of 100 and a relative strength rating of 88. This specialty pharma name is carving a double bottom, 2 troughs at 1645 and 1677 with a first high at 1786. The neckline trigger sits at 1926. Think of this pattern like a trampoline tested twice at the same spot. Each bounce confirms the floor is rock solid. The bull case, Amneal operates in specialty and generic drugs, a sector that thrives on pricing power and pipeline optionality. If the broader pharma group catches a bid from the GLP-1 tailwinds, AMRX could ride that wave with a 90 drive score as its boarding pass. The risk of market-wide sell-off in a pressured uptrend could drag this below that 1645 support before the pattern completes. Quick question for you. Which setup excites you more? Avnet's tight handle or Amneal's double bounce? Drop your answer in the comments. Honourable mentions. Here's the rest of the watch list, scrolling by 10 names total today. And while most sit in the yellow zone, don't sleep on them. Keep an eye on the ones holding relative strength above 85. Those are the names most likely to break out first when the market regime shifts back to a confirmed uptrend. Patience pays when setups are still baking.
Here's what I want you to think about tonight. 6 distribution days in a confirmed uptrend doesn't mean the trend is dead. It means the market is testing who's serious and who's just along for the ride. The best traders use this pressure to sharpen their watch lists, not abandon them. Tomorrow, watch whether AMRX holds above 1677, and if Avnet can tighten that handle further, those micro moves will tell you everything about where we're headed. This has been your Gainster Daily Drive Score Update. Trade smart, and I'll see you tomorrow.